Hi Tam, I thought I'd just do a quick video or two on the controls and everything. So the control for the electrics of the van is here. If you want to turn them all off, you probably will never want to turn them all off um, because you've got the solar. So the solar will keep all this regulated and everything. If you ever need to turn it on, you hold it down for a few seconds and then it'll come back on. Okay, just running through some of this, very little of this kind of remains of the original, but what does remain is the pump. So this is the pump for the taps. Okay, so when it's on, it's the yellow button. I tend to leave it off now, just because it's so easy to turn on. That way, that if you should ever have a leak, you won't flood the van. And that button there is for the lights. I usually leave that one on, but again, you can turn it all off. The things that are worth noting on this control panel is just the water level, which is that one, which tells me that there's 4%. Now, I think over the years this regulation's gone out, so when you fill the tank, it gets to about, I think, 76%, but you'll soon get used to what it is. So the first one is drink, so that's fresh water, and the next one it'll come on to is the black grey waste, or you press it again, and it's empty at the moment. Okay, so really it's the tank. I don't bother so much with the voltage of battery 1 and battery 2 because with the new stuff I fitted, these are kind of out anyway. So it's really just the water level, give you a rough indicator, but the pump and the lights I would use. Okay, just over here is the boiler. Well, there's two controls, as you can see. This one actually is for a Euromobile ventilation system, and what it does, it draws up um, cold air from underneath the bus via a fan system under that chair, and then it draws it up so that it's blasting out cold air wherever there's grills above the cupboards. I've never been in really hot climes to check this out yet, see how good it is, but it's basically just a fan system. The heating bit is this bit here, and it's a Truma C control, which will give you heating and hot water. If you just want hot water, you just turn it this way, and it can go to 40 degrees or 60 degrees. Okay, so the middle bit does nothing there because this is the thermostat for the heating. If you want heating and hot water, you go to the next bit, and that's 40 degrees, and that's 60 degrees, and then the middle bit is your thermostat for your heating. I'll just turn that off.